Welcome to Eagle's Kitchen. I'm your host, Kierra Williams. Are you ready for some wild game recipe? Well, you're in luck. Today we are cooking some squirrel. So stay tuned and follow along. Here are squirrels. We singe squirrels, dress it, and quarter it. We then wash it and it is prepped for dinner. We'll have to show you in another episode on how we dress our squirrels. For this recipe, you will need 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 tablespoon black pepper, a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 whole onion, 1 whole bell pepper, 3 sticks of celery, 3 stems of green onions, and 3 bay leaves. And with the magic of YouTube, I am instantly ready to begin. Now we turn on our Dutch oven cast iron to medium high. Add a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Let it sit until the oil gets hot. Once we have a little sizzle action, we place the squirrels into the pot. Season the meat with salt and black pepper. Now we sear the meat for about 30-40 minutes until the meat is brown. This will be the longest process because the squirrel meat is pretty tough, especially with the skin on. We are going to speed up the process so that you don't have to sit with us for the whole duration. After 38 minutes, it is fully brown. We then add our trinity. It is chopped onion, bell pepper, and celery. Now we stir it around to mix it in with the pot. After about 3 to 5 minutes, we cover the pot. This will allow the vegetables to sweat out. After about 5 minutes, the vegetables will begin to become translucent. Once this occurs, it's time to add your garlic. After we mix everything together, we add 4 cups of water. Now add in your bay leaves, combining everything together, and stir. Cover the pot. Let it boil for the next 20 minutes. This allows the vegetables to dissolve and help make gravy. We are now on the home stretch. After stirring, we add 4 more cups of water. At this time, we also add our green onions. Cover and let it boil for another 10 minutes. The squirrels are finally done, and before I can share the magic, we have to make sure the seasonings is perfect. Sounds like Dante's here from his game. Dante! Maybe.
You.
Tastes my cooking.
Very good.
I think we're done. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below if you try this recipe out and let us know what you think. Thank you.